So today we have to discuss about the implementation of implementation implementation of stack using array and linked list. Okay. So implementation of stack using linked list. So stack, this is called the last in first out data structure. Okay. So first let using array. We are going to implement the stack using array. So how many functions are there? There are two functions. First one is the insert and second one is the delete. So push, there are two functions. First function is the push. Push function is used for insertion in the stack, and the last entry and stack is obviously one bounded array. You can this is you can imagine this stack using one bounded container. So when you are inserting an element that is pushed an element in the stack, it will uh, it will stored in the inside the stack one by one, and the last element which is inserted in the stack is first popped. This is first removed. The top portion is first removed. So push function. So how to write this push function? Now push function is let int push. So int push, uh, if the stack name is st, and let the inserted value is value. Okay. So this is int st, and this will obviously be int, as we are interested with dealing with only integer variables. You can use this as char also, character. So if your top if your top, that is the pointer which is used for scanning the number of scanning the indices of the uh, stack, as this is just nothing like but a array. So top, if top is, if your list is, or if your stack is almost full, so let max minus 1. So you have to write, printf, just give a message that your the stack is full. Stack is full. Okay. So you have to define this. Uh, we have to define this macro definition. So define max. Let this is 10. Okay. Again top. So int top. You have to initialize this top with -1. Okay. Int top, and there will be st array, stack array, and this is max. So this part is for initialization. This part is for initialization of your top and the array. Now your main function your main function should be menu driven. So you have to use the switch. So you have to use the switch case. So push. So in push, if top is equal to this, printf stack is almost full. Otherwise, that is your stack is not full. So could you please suggest me what should I do? Else else what should I write? If your top is max minus 1, your stack is full. Otherwise, any idea?
So top will be incremented.
So top will be incremented. Then
st top equals to val, তাহলে ভ্যালুটা ওখানে যাবে।
so st top. So first you have to
First
increment.
টপটা ইনক্রিমেন্ট করব, তারপর st টপের মধ্যে ভ্যালুটা রাখবো।
Okay. So top else top top plus plus.
স্যার ফার্স্টে ইনক্রিমেন্ট কেন করব?
আর তুমি কি করে টপটাকে ওয়ান স্পেস ক্রিয়েট করবে তুমি?
স্যার যে টপটা দেওয়া আছে সেটা তো মানে একটা ইন্ডেক্স দেওয়া আছে না, ওটাকে ইউজ করি তো আমি আগে ইনসার্ট করে দেবো তারপর ইনক্রিমেন্ট করব।
Let this is the stack. So initialize your top with -1. Top is equal to -1. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. So your array size is 4. Okay. Let this is 5. So array size is 5. So here max is 5. Okay. Now top is equal to -1. How to push an element, Uhini? First
স্যার
you have
ওখানে দেওয়া ছিল না টপ ইকুয়ালস টু ম্যাক্স মাইনাস 1, ম্যাক্স মানে তো ম্যাক্সিমাম সাইজ অফ দ্যাট স্ট্যাক নাকি ম্যাক্সিমাম সাইজ অফ দ্যাট অ্যারে না?
yes.
সো ওটা তো মাইনাস।
If top is max -1, then stack is full.
হ্যাঁ
তাহলে
মানে স্যার আমি মিন করছি যে স্যার টপ ইকুয়ালস মানে ম্যাক্স -1 মানে ওটা -1 তো না, মানে টপের ভ্যালু -1 তো না, সেই হিসাবে আগে যদি ইনক্রিমেন্ট করে নি একটা স্পেস বেড়ে যাবে না?
টপ কে ইনিশিয়ালাইজ করবে -1 দিয়ে।
হ্যাঁ
ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ
Then if your array size is 10, index running from 0 to 9,
হ্যাঁ
হয়তো
হ্যাঁ
the last এলিমেন্টের ইন্ডেক্স কত অ্যারে?
9।
তাহলে max -1 হয় না?
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, না আমি অন্যটা বুঝলাম, ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে।
If top is equal to max -1, then stack is full. Okay. Otherwise, you have to first increment this top to any index and then insert either 10 or any element. First, you have to increment this top to the next index, then you have to enter another element. Okay. So first, you have to increment this top and then st top is equal to value. So this is the push function. Do you have any doubts? This is the push function. Is it okay? Sneha?
Yes, sir.
Now Sneha, what will be the pop function? You have to pop this one. So you have to delete this one. So what will be the pop? So first delete the topmost element. First delete the topmost element and then decrement the top. So int pop, and let this is the array name st. Now if what will be the condition for empty list and what will be the condition for full list, full stack? Full stack, the condition for full stack, this is the condition for full stack. This is the condition for full stack, okay? And what will be the condition for empty stack?
Top equals to -1.
Top double equals to -1. So this is the condition for empty stack. Empty stack. Okay. So this is empty stack. So if top equals to -1, then we have to show this message that your stack is empty. The stack is empty. Okay. Your stack is empty. Otherwise, কি করব? Otherwise, any idea otherwise? সকালে যে করলে এগুলো কি হলো?
তো টপের টপ ডিক্রিমেন্ট করে দেবো।
টপ ডিক্রিমেন্ট করে দেবো মানে টপ মাইনাস মাইনাস।
হ্যাঁ, ওটা তাহলে আগের এলিমেন্টে চলে আসলো, তো হাইপোথেটিক্যালি তারপরের এলিমেন্টটা এক্সিস্ট করে না, ডিলিট করি না করি।
আর কিছু এনি আইডিয়া?
স্যার ভ্যালুটা তো রাখতে হবে ফার্স্টে,
ইয়েস।
মানে ভ্যালু ইকুয়ালস টু st টপ, তারপর টপ
Oh,
মাইনাস
val.
করে ভ্যালুটাকে
Yes,
রিটার্ন করব।
this is the only one rule. So value is equal to st top. Value is equal to st top. Then decrement the top and return this value. That is previous top value. This will be your previous top value. So first, in case of push, first increment the top. If required, you can take a note. First, in case of push, first increment the top and then insert. Okay. In case of pop, first store the top element in a temporary variable, and then decrement the top, and finally return that previous top value, that is return the temporary variable val. So this is the pop function and this is the push function. Okay, is it clear? Any problem? সবাই চুপচাপ করে বসে আছে, সিঙ্গেল ডাইরেকশন করে দিয়েছে ক্লাসটা। Okay, how to print the topmost element? Only return the topmost element, only show the topmost element. How to show the topmost element? Print st top. So you can also return the topmost element using just print st top. So printf topmost element. Printf the topmost element, that is st of top. So print the topmost element. This will print the topmost element. It will print your topmost element. Okay. So this is the array implementation of stack. This is the array implementation of the stack. Now using linked list. Using linked list. So using linked list, so stack array, how to convert this st, how to convert this stack in how to convert this stack from array implementation to the list implementation. Any idea? In case of array implementation, we are using the st array, but in case of linked list, we are using the single linked list, so there will be data part and pointer part. So how to change this array? Any idea? Anyone? Snigdhadev? Any idea how to change? Yes. Shubham, we will use a struct node. Very good. We will use a struct node. So in case of array implementation, we are using the st array and the variable top, initialize top with -1. In case of linked list, we have to use the structure. So struct stack, struct stack, as we are dealing with single linked list, so there will be two parts, so data part and the second one is the pointer part. Now again, linked list is the self-referencing data structure. So every node in the stack is, every node has two parts, data part and next part. That next part is pointing to a self-referencing structure. So struct stack. And what will be the return type? Let the return type is int. So this is just nothing but a representation. Representation struct stack is equivalent to here struct st array. Okay, so this is the node representation. Node representation. This is the node representation using SLL. Okay. Then you have to use the top. So top is equal to null. Now top pointer, top pointer struct stack. Return type struct stack, and the top pointer is made null. Here the top pointer is int top -1. Okay, and here this top pointer is made null. Is it fine? Next, you have to use this, you have to reconstruct this push function and pop function. So push function, let this is stack push. Okay, and stack your top and the inserted value. Okay, now what should we do? You have to push the value. You have to push this value. This value you have to push in every steps to your list, to your stack. Now first we have to implement the, we have to create the node. Every time we have to dynamically create the node, because using the linked list, your memories are not contiguous in nature. In case of array, this is contiguous, but in case of linked list, this is not contiguous. That's why every time you have to create the new node. তাহলে ফার্স্ট কি করব বলো তো? Any idea? First, তন্দ্রিমা 9051
Yes, sir.
কি করব এবার? এই পর্যন্ত বুঝতে পেরেছো?
হ্যাঁ।
তাহলে এবার কি করব?
স্যার এরপরে তো নিউ নোট ক্রিয়েট করব।
New node create করব। So you have to use the new node. We have to use the new node. So before using the new node, we have to create this. So new node. So new node, this will be struct stack. Now this is the declaration. You have to create dynamically this new node. Using dynamically means you have to use the malloc function. The first one is the cast type, struct stack star. Then malloc the byte size. So use size of operator, one argument, struct struct stack. So this is the dynamic allocation for new node is completed. Then you have to insert the value. So new node data is equal to your val. So value is inserted at the data part of the new node. Okay. Now if your top is equal to null, if your top is equal to null, that is initially at empty. You're initially at empty stack. So this is the empty stack condition. Top is equal to -1 or top is equal to null. Here you declare top as null. So if top is equal to null, then what should we do? New node next. New node next is equal to লিখবো new node next is equal to null, as new node is the only one node. And what will be the second line? Your top is new node. Just like start in case of SLL, DLL, CLL, just like start is equal to new node, here you have to declare top is equal to new node. Okay, so only one node is there, so this node is top. Up to this, any problem? Please ask me. If top is equal to null, that is here. So here the stack is empty. And the stack is empty. Okay. Is it clear? Please unmute yourself and ask me if you have any questions. Otherwise, that is your list is not, your stack is not empty. There are something exists in the list. So else, otherwise your new node is created dynamically. Okay. And new node next is equal to top. And top is equal to new node. If your list is not empty, this is the condition for your list is empty, your stack is empty or list is empty, then your new node is the only one node, so its next part is made null. Otherwise, that is there is something in the list, there will be definitely a top. So new node next is top. Basically, it means first increment the top and then insert the value. So this line is analogous to, these two lines. First increment the top and stack top is equal to value. Okay, is it fine? Do you have any queries? সব চুপচাপ। ওহিনী বুঝতে পারছো? No sir. Suraj, no sir means? Oh, no doubt. Ohini, any problem? Or if you have any queries, please clarify. So there is a similarity between array implementation and linked list implementation. So this is the array implementation of push in stack, and this is the list representation. This is the list representation of push in stack. Okay, And obviously, finally, there will be return as you are inserting the top with type struct stack. So return. So finally, RUT return the top. Return the top. So this is the last line. In case of push. And what will be the pop? So pop. Pop. So return the topmost element. So as you are using this stack, one argument stack top, so you can easily write return top. Now, what will be the return type? Stack. Okay. Now pop. Now, if the underflow condition happens, then nothing can be deleted, nothing can be popped. If your list is already empty, if your stack is already empty, you can't omit anything from the empty stack. So empty stack condition, if your top is equal to null, if your top is equal to null, you can write just your, you can write just the stack is empty. Okay. Otherwise, the stack is not empty. There are something. So what will be the condition? The condition is top is equal to top next, and printf the value it being deleted is %d. As we are dealing with integer, let there is a temporary variable pointer and its data part. So you have to declare this pointer. Now pointer is ptr, temporary pointer. So start ptr struct struct stack and initialize this pointer. ptr is equal to your head, that is your top. And finally, else, inside the else part, free your ptr. So this is the pop function. Any confusion regarding this pop? So first, use this temporary pointer and initialize this pointer with your top. Okay. And if your top is null, then list is empty. Otherwise, your top is top next and print the ptr data. Okay. And finally, free the pointer, PTR, temporary pointer. Is it clear to you? Is it clear? Okay. How to show the topmost element? How to show the topmost element? So to show the topmost element, just to show the topmost element, you have to use the top, just top data. Top pointer, its data part. This is the topmost element. Topmost element. Okay. Now how to reverse the elements? How to reverse the elements? So let the elements are 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So a list of several numbers. How to reverse? How to reverse the numbers? The idea is quite simple. Insert this in a stack. Now, as stack is the last in first out data structure. So LIFO, as stack is LIFO, last in first out. So the last entry is popped first. So first pop 50. So output is 50. So your inserted sequence were 10, 20, next 30, 40 and 50. Now as stack is the LIFO, so first 50 will be popped out, so 50. Next 40 will be popped out, so 40. Next 30 will be popped, so 30. Next one is the 20, so 20 will be popped. And finally 10, so this 10 will be popped. Okay, so this is the reversing. So this is the reversing of a list of numbers or characters. Okay, is it okay?